This is Jyoti Miss, your computer teacher. Children, first of all, wish you a very happy, healthy, safety New Year, children. Okay. So, children, we completed 3 lessons for SA1 and we completed exams also successfully. I think all of you got your progress reports also. Children, we completed holidays also, no? New Year holidays, Christmas holidays, that all. So now we are going to start fourth lesson, that is the keyboard. Children, all of you open your computer textbook and see page number 30. That is fourth lesson, the keyboard. So the keyboard has many keys. I sometimes find it difficult to locate a particular key. So this problem also you are facing, no? You all of you know what is a keyboard, how it looks like. Is it right? How it looks like, children? See. This is keyboard. Is it right? For which purpose we will use this keyboard, children? To type words and sentences. If you observe here so many keys are there. These are all this Q, W. See? This Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U. These are all keys we are called as alphabetic keys. And if you observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. These called numeric keys. These all we learned. These are also numeric keys. And this longest bar we called as a space bar. And this space bar we will use to give space between the two words and sentences. Okay. And this is enter key. This enter key we will use to go to the next line. This all we learn, no? Okay. This is about the keyboard. For which purpose we will use this keyboard, children? To type our name or any house address or any sentence or any word you have to type in the computer. So how we will type? For example, you have to write a name on a paper. How you will write? By using pencil you will write. Is it right? On a paper. But same word you have to type in computer. You have to write in computer. How we will write? By using pen or pencil, it is not possible. We have to type this computer by using keyboard. How we will type? For example, you have to type computer word. Then what you will do? First you have to press C. Next you have to press O. Next you have to press M. Next you have to press P. Next you have to press U. Next you have to press T. Next you have to press E. And after that you have to press R. So like that if you type, then the computer word it will displays on the monitor. So this keyboard we will use to type words, sentences in the monitor. Okay, children. So now today we already learned what are alphabetic keys, what are number keys, and what is a space bar key and what is enter key. We already learned in last year. Okay. Today we are going to learn some more keys. Okay. Now see page number 30. You see, children. A keyboard is one of 4 main parts of the computer. Is it right? So, what are the main 4 parts of the computer? Monitor, CPU, mouse and keyboard. Okay. So, keyboard is also one of the important part. It consists of a number of keys. Is it right? See, number of keys are there in a keyboard. Okay. On pressing the keys, we can type which is displayed on the monitor. Here, which key we are typing? That key will display on the monitor. Is it right? We have already learned about alphabetic keys, numeric keys, enter keys and space bar key in last class. Is it right, children? So regarding to that, here one activity is given. You do, children. What is that activity? Color the keyboard according to given color codes. Here some keys are given. Before that keys, one color code is given. So that keys are color with this color code. See, alphabetic keys means in this keyboard what are alphabetic keys means what are alphabetic letters are there, that all letters you have to color with pink. Okay, children. Next see enter keys. Here 2 enter keys are there. Here one enter key is there and here one enter key is there. These two enter keys you have to color with blue color. Next see numeric keys, means number keys. Here which are number keys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. These are number keys. Same number keys here also there. Means in a keyboard, two places there the number keys are there in two places in a keyboard. Okay, here also see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all number keys you have to color with green. Next see space bar key. Which color? Yellow key. This longest bar we called as a space bar. So this space bar you have to color with yellow. Okay children, this is your homework. After completing this lesson explanation, you do this activity. Next see children, now these four keys we learned already in the last year. Today we are going to learn some more new keys in a keyboard. What are that keys? Now we will see. Let us learn about some more keys on a keyboard. Arrow keys. Arrow keys. Means children, if you see here, in keyboard there are four arrow keys. See, one is up arrow. See here, arrow is in which direction? Up direction. This is up arrow. This is left arrow. This is right arrow. This is down arrow. These four we called as arrow keys. So what is the function of this arrow keys? What is the function of this arrow keys? So what this arrow keys will do? See, these arrow keys will do. Children, if you observe in a monitor, children, here is one line is always blinking on a monitor. This line we called as a cursor. This line we called as a cursor. If you have to type anything, this cursor only will type. Okay, where is the cursor? There only we can type. Okay, for example, cursor is here, we can type here only. Cursor is here, we can type here only. Cursor is here, we can type here only. If there is no cursor, we cannot type, children. So, what is the function of this arrow keys? Means, children, by using these arrow keys, we can move the cursor to up line, to down line, to left side, to right side. Understand? For example, if you are pressing up arrow, the cursor will move to the up one line. For example, you press the left arrow, the cursor will move to the one letter left side. Okay. If you press the right arrow, the cursor will move one letter right side. If you press the down arrow, the cursor will move to the down line, one line. So this is the function of these four arrow keys, children. Now you will see what arrow keys are. 4 in number. How many arrow keys are there? 4. These are also known as cursor control keys. What is the another name of these arrow keys? Are cursor control keys. Why? Because these arrow keys controls the cursor. Means this cursor we will move up, down, left, right by using this cursor. This arrow keys. Okay, a cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor that shows the position of the next letter or number to be entered. So what is the function of this cursor? It is a small blinking line. It will shows the next position of the text or next position of the letter you have to enter. Where that letter should be entered, that position it will shows the cursor. Okay children. So what it will do? To move the cursor right or forward, left or back, up or down, we can use this arrow keys. I explained now children. By using this arrow keys, if you press up arrow, the cursor will move one line up. If you press left arrow, the cursor will move one letter left. Right arrow, if it will move one letter right. Down arrow, it will comes to the next line. This is about the function of the arrow keys. So here you see one important point is given. A commonly used keyboard has 104 keys. Children, if you observe in a keyboard totally how many keys are there? If you count, these all are 104 keys. Okay, this is important children, you have to remember. This is about the arrow keys. Next, another key here I am introducing. This is a backspace key, or this backspace key will seems like this in the keyboard. Okay, left side arrow, left side arrow. In some keyboards it looks like this, in some keyboards it looks like this. These keys are called backspace keys. So what is the function of this backspace key, children? This backspace keys works as a eraser. Works as a eraser. For example, you typed any wrong word or wrong spelling you typed in the monitor, then you have to rub, you have to erase that word. Then you have to press this backspace key. One letter it will erases back. This is about the backspace key. See here, the backspace key helps us to erase mistakes or anything that you do not want while typing. The backspace key erases characters to the left of the cursor. So which side of the letters it will erase the backspace key? Left side of the cursor it will erases. On keyboards, backspace key comes in either styles given below. Some keyboards backspace is looking like this, and some keyboards backspace keys is looking like this. So how it will work now we will see, children. See here, suppose you have to type dictionary, but the correct spelling is dictionary. To erase E, write A in its place. Position the cursor after the letter E and then use the backspace key. The letter E gets deleted and the same time you can type letter A. For example, if you see, children, what is the spelling of dictionary? Dictionary. But here he typed ERY, means we typed E mistake. So we have to erase this E letter and we have to type A letter. So what we have to do means put the cursor right side of the E. Put the cursor right side of the E and press the backspace key. Automatically this E will erases and there you type A, then it will be corrected as a dictionary. Like that we have to use this backspace key. Means nothing but of backspace key is used as a eraser. Used as an eraser. Okay, children, that is about the backspace key. And always this backspace key erases the words or letters which are left side of the cursor. Okay. The next key is delete key. The next key is delete key. The delete key is also erases characters typed on the right side of the cursor. Children, you remember this important point. Backspace key is used to erase the left side letters of the cursor. Delete key is used to erase the right side of the letters right side of the cursor. Backspace key is left side. Delete key is right side of the cursor. Right side of the cursor. Okay, children. So like this we can delete. See here suppose you want to correct the spelling of computer. Here computer spelling, what you have to write here, you know, but here is typed O. To computer, to delete O, place the cursor before O and press the delete key. Now type the U at the same time. Ajay has done some mistakes while typing word elephant. He has typed elephant. Means here he typed LEPHANT. He typed mistakenly F. So Ajay wants to remove the letter I from this elephant using the backspace key. Using a red crayon, draw a line where the cursor should be placed. Now Ajay wants to remove the letter F from elephant using the delete key. Use the blue crayon, draw a line. This is activity, children. I will explain later. First I will explain this one. So here what I have to do? I have to erase O. So where I have to erase the O by using delete key. So where I have to put the cursor on the left side of the O. Then you have to press delete key. Then O will erase and we will type here U. Means, children, nothing, don't get confusion. Backspace key erases Okay, backspace key erases left side letters of the cursor. Means you have to erase the letters left side of the cursor. We should press backspace key. Okay, next, see here, delete key is used to erase the right side of the cursor letters. Which are having letters on the right side of the cursor. Okay, right side of the cursor letters, we will use delete key. Okay, don't get tension. Here, depending upon the backspace key and delete key, one activity is given. See, what is that activity? Ajay has done some mistake. Elephant, he typed. Elephant he have to type, but he typed mistakenly ELEPH. This is wrong, no? So, Ajay wants to remove the letter I. He wants to remove this letter I from here using the backspace key. Using a red crayon, draw a line where the cursor should be placed. So, he want to remove this I. And he want to remove this I by using backspace key. So, which cursor we have, where we have to keep the cursor? There you have to draw a line with which crayon? Red crayon. So, where we have to draw? Here we have to draw a line with red color. Why? Because backspace key is used to remove letters from the left side of the cursor. So, I is the left side of cursor. We have to keep cursor right side of the I. Okay, next, like that, Ajay wants to remove the letter F by using delete key. Here, delete key, by using delete key we have to remove the F. Then where we have to put the cursor? Here we have to put the cursor. Blue crayon. Draw a line where the cursor should be placed. Okay, children, here you have to draw blue line. Here we have to draw the red crayon, red line. This is about the delete key. Okay, children. After listening this lesson, you read this lesson once again in your textbook. Then you can understand nicely. Okay, children. Remaining caps lock key, numbers lock key. These all we will see in next class, children. So, what is today your homework is? Do this activity which is having in 30th page. Okay, and do this putting cursor also by using red crayon and this green crayon. Sorry, blue crayon. This is your homework, and read this lesson once again thoroughly. Okay, children. Now I am closing this class. We will meet in next class, children, and then we will continue the next topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.